Jai Siya Ram everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Desi Madam. My name is Rita and how are you doing guys? I hope you all guys are doing absolutely fine. So friends, in today's video I am going to discuss with you a very common but very demanding topic. So in today's video I am going to discuss with you how to improve our English fluency and how to speak in English fluently with confidently. Okay, also I'm going to share with you some methods, some tips, tricks which helped me a lot, and if it helped me then this will also help you, believe me. So without any further delay, let's get into the topic. But before going to the topic, it's my humble request to all of you, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, so please do subscribe my channel because these things gives me boost to create more and more valuable content for you every day. So watch the video right till then, don't skip the video. Okay friends, so let's get into the topic. So friends, in today's video, I am going to discuss with you how to speak in English fluently and confidently, how to improve our English fluency. Okay, so for this, just let me tell you one thing. Do you really want to speak in English fluently and confidently? If yes, then ask a question from yourself. Why are you learning this language? Okay, so just identify your reason. So there are three reasons for learning this language. This is first, attitude challenge. You want to enhance your status in a society. This is called attitude challenge. Second thing is that knowledge challenge. You want to know some knowledge about this language. Third thing is that skill challenge. You want to learn new skill. So yes, there are three things for learning this language. So for me, this is skill challenge. So first identify your challenge. Why are you learning this language? Okay, now let's move on. Second point. Second point is that do you take this language as a language or bigger than? Just ask a question from yourself, because there are so many people, they are taking this language as a very big thing. This is a only a language just like other language, not too much. So just take this language as a language, not too much. Okay, now let's move on. Next point, that is very important. Okay, think about a question from yourself. Think about when you were child, how did you learn your native language? Because at that time you were too small, you were not going any college institute for learning your native language. Still you learned this language, your native language. So how did it possible? Think about. Okay, so English is just a language just like your native language. So for this you did not go any school, college for learning your native language. So how did you learn your native language? Because you listen too much, too much. You observe your parents, your neighbor, your sister, your brother. You listen too much and you observe too much. Then you try to speak out in a broken language. And at that time, if you were making a mistake, so you had not developed any kind of ego. If someone laughed at your language, so you had not developed any kind of ego and you were not ashamed, okay, of making mistake. But in today time, in our career time, we have developed our own ego. Okay, so this is the problem. Take this language as a language, learn this language as we learn our native language. So for this, what you need to do, you need to just do all the principles, all the methods. For just you apply it for learning your native language. Okay, so for this, what you need to do, you need to just listen too much. Listening very important. LSRW, listening is very important for learning any language. Okay, you have to listen too much content in English. Okay, you can start your listening practice with your daily routine, with your any content which you are interested in. Okay, so listening is very important. Now let's move on. Second thing, reading. Nowadays, okay, it's very difficult to read any book. So you are watching so much series in a Netflix. Try to change your subtitle into the English and watch movie or series with subtitle. Turn your subtitle into the English. In this way you can easily read all the sentences and you are understanding what is happening, how to say this sentence in English. Okay, so reading is very important. Listening and reading, there are two fundamental thing. On the base of these two fundamental pillar, you can easily make your big building, English speaking building. Okay, now let's move on. Next step. So what you need to do, we need to just listen too much. We should take this language as a language, not too much. Okay, now English is not a problem for you because you are taking this language as a language. If you are taking this language a bigger language, then this will hurt you. This language will hurt you. This language will give you scaredness. Okay, so okay, now let's move on. Next thing is that learn whole sentences, not depend on a particular vocabulary, because there are so many vocabulary. How can you learn so much vocabulary, like in a lakhs number? So you should learn some common sentences, common phrases which we used in our day-to-day life. So yes, learn whole sentences. In this way you can easily improve your vocabulary. Also you can know how to use this sentence in this place, how to use this vocabulary, how to use this noun, pronoun and other thing in this sentence. So learn whole sentence. Okay, don't depend on learning a single vocabulary. Okay, let's move on third thing. Third thing is that, okay, try to use driver approach. Now the question is that what is the driver approach? A mechanic knows everything about the vehicle. So can he drive vehicle more better than driver? No, a driver can drive better than mechanic. Okay, even he don't know about the nuts and bolts about the car, but he drive better than. So we should use a driver approach. Okay, don't depend on too much on grammar. Okay, because speaking language is different on the, and grammar thing is different, totally different. Okay, I'm not saying that grammar is not necessary. Grammar is absolutely very necessary, but not too much. Okay, so don't depend too much on the grammar portion. Okay, only for few sentences, modal verbs is good for your English speaking. Okay, now let's move on other step, that is learn this language with fun. If you are taking stress in your mind, okay, I have to learn this language, and you are taking so much stress and you are giving so much tension, your family member, please come and talk to me in English, please, from today we should talk in English, only in English. No, it's not going to help you. okay, because this is your responsibility, this is your choice. Why are you throwing your attitude, your challenge to others, okay, and why others come for your sake, okay? So this is your challenge, this is your responsibility to learn this language. And don't worry, if you really want to enhance your fluency, then download different type of apps. I have shared with you so many apps in order to learn this language. You can choose any apps and try to do practice each and every day with your co-learners, with AI tools. So it's up to you, okay? And yes, in this way you can easily improve your English fluency, okay? And believe me, next thing I just want to say you, consistency is very important, very important. Not once in a week, not once in a month. Practice will help you, okay? If you do practice each and every day, then this will help you, okay? So that's all I wanted to share with you in this video, and I hope you like my video. If you did so please give it a like to share with your friends and family, and let me know in the comment box how did you like my video, because I love to read your comments. So friends, we will see you in the next video. Till then, Jai Shri Ram.